Contract Productions. Hey. This is my favorite part, right here. Let's go. Contract Productions. Hey.
And there goes the game. There fai el Galuega fai ya la capilla kama. Look at the small Malay. And there goes the kick-off. Here's Amo runs it into Levy. Levy takes him down. Big Sonny gets the ball. He'll run it straight. There's no doubt in my mind. And there he goes. But Levy taken by JJ on the bottom. Given to Seve. Seve runs up. Oh, vicious. Oh, look how many people Seve tracks. 3 people. Oh, they're really having a great go. Oh, and there's even though it's rugby league, but they're forming a ruck and rugby league. They are sorry for the coverage. There's a bit dark here. Oh, Seve again. He takes throwing on his back there while getting on. There's Ace. Ace places it beautifully back. But Amo, he is taken in the mix. And there he goes. There goes Amo again. Levy takes him. He's holding him by the scruff of the neck. Oh, Ace takes it up. This guy from Linwood. Now in Christchurch, the Canterburyan. And there he goes. Oh, almost got it. He'll take it all the way. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he gets tackled by JJ. JPR, JJ. Oh, Big Casio. Big Casio gets the ball. He's taken on the ground without a sweat. Oh, there you go. Oh, another big tackle by JJ. Oh, what a beautiful. Oh, Big. Oh, he takes on Peter. Oh, he rips it out. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, this is happening here. Live, oh, ladies and gentlemen, only at SASA Rugby Stadium. Oh! There goes Sakia. Sakia gets it right over the advantage line. And still, poor LA's working on the mouth. There goes Peter. Well tackled by Cassia. Oh, there goes. They're trying to rip the ball out, these Canterburyans. Oh, they're attracting the crowds running. There goes Ace. Passes it to Sonny. Sonny takes it up. Oh, to Seve. Seve takes it up. Oh, this is a vicious game of rugby. I don't know what it is. Oh, Sash puts an elbow in his brother's head. But there it goes. Oh, they're still going. Love it. Beautiful. Fingers it to Amo. Oh, this is a seesaw sort of game. Welcome to the SASA Stadium in Avondale Heights. What a beautiful game. Ace gets the ball, passes it to Amo. Amo's in the... Oh, Amo gives it back to Ace. He's got it on the ground. Is there going to be a try here? Sonny gets it. He gives it Carlos pitch. Oh, another big run by the big guy. Oh, this is tremendous. Good night, nurse. He goes, Shag, he'll take it up the front straight. And he gets taken by Sonny. Passes it back off. He's on the ground, on the 5-meter line. He rucks it back. Oh, what commitment. Garcia gets it. He gives a tricky pass out, gives a dummy, and Alma intercepts, and there's the try that seals the game. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, as you're watching here at SASA Stadium, what a game it's been. And there goes for LA Storm, working hard. And here come the players now. Oh, this is just awesome. JJ, what do you think about the game?
Yeah, it's alright.
Hey,
Beautiful.
even though your team won, your team lost in the end, it was good stuff there. Ali, there's Ali, and there goes all the boys there. Oh, the boys having a breakdown. What an awesome spectacle here at SASA near the 20. Oh, and look at that guy. He's gone. Castillo, he's gone. Oh my goodness. And there it is. The boys there just having a great spectacle. Couldn't have had it any better way. And thank you.